Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Teams training as we continue with our attraction marketing series. First off, I just want to let you know that I do appreciate your understanding as I took the last 2 weeks off. I just needed that time to get backtracked with everything before the holidays. Okay, before we get into today's training, I just want to quickly review what we've gone over so far. If you'd like to see the complete previous trainings, you can find each of them on the event page here, as well as over on my YouTube channel. I usually will post an edited version of my trainings over on my YouTube channel the following Tuesday. So, what is attraction marketing? It's a marketing strategy with the main focus or theme talking about how your business and products have helped you resolve issues or concerns. This can be what skincare product you use for glowing skin, or how you're able to earn extra money to go on vacation in the summer. Think about when someone you know talks about a restaurant they went to last weekend with their spouse, and it's a restaurant you've never been to before or maybe even heard of. What your friend says about that restaurant, positive or negative, is going to influence whether or not you will check it out with your partner on your next date night, right? We acknowledge there are 5 steps when it comes to attraction marketing. We started off by determining who our targeted audience is by answering a variety of questions that will help you infer on what they will like or not like based on certain concerns they may be looking to resolve. We then went over how to determine where to market your business, which in turn would influence the type of marketing you'll do. How you market to your local customers may be at local events where you can demo products compared to your online customers where you may have a blog or Facebook business page where you share tips and tutorials. Then in our last training, we went over how to determine your marketing goals, which actually lead me to the first step in creating a routine. Now, when you know what goals you want to accomplish, this is going to help you know what areas of your business to focus on. Right off the top of my head, I'm thinking about your business goals. Are they primarily focused on growing your sales or growing your leadership business? If it's sales, then you're going to be focusing more on your marketing on the products that we sell versus leadership, where you may focus more on the opportunity and what you're able to do and accomplish with that. Next is to create a checklist. This is just a list of tasks that you will need to do on a regular basis, like checking your comments and DMs, when you send any email updates or reminders, when you deliver brochures to customers who might not have placed an order recently, how often are you updating your brochures you leave at local businesses. Think of tasks that you want to do every campaign. And what you're going to do is list all of your marketing tasks that you do in a given campaign or month. Once you have your list of marketing tasks, I recommend looking at a calendar or creating a calendar to start marking when you're going to do what, like I did here, as you see on the screen. I personally break up my routine by campaign. The only thing I actually started doing monthly recently is planning out my social media content. What I'll do about halfway through the month is I will schedule the upcoming month's blog topics, social media content, things like that. We will go over that in more depth next week. Now, having a routine is going to dramatically lighten up your stress level. I know for me, it allows me to be able to focus on what I need to do at that time and not have my mind continually stressing over everything that needs to get done. This is helpful not only in my Avon business, but in my personal life as well. Now that you have your routine established, the obvious next step is going to be implementing it. I personally recommend utilizing a task app. So I personally have used ISO Timer in the past, but currently I am using Microsoft To Do. I love Microsoft To Do because I'm able to have my to-do list on my phone and my laptop, which is the two devices that I use to do my work. And I can create categories to organize my tasks. So I'm able to have everything I need to do on a regular basis, as well as things that come up for work and my personal life all in one place. Now you can use any task app that you like. All I do recommend is that you choose one where you're actually able to add repeatable tasks. This is just going to help make it easy because tasks you need to do continuously on a regular basis, what that will do is it will automatically remind you when you do a task once you set it up. The last step is one you're going to continually do, and that is to make adjustments as needed. You want to continually review and analyze that your daily tasks and goals are aligned. Remember, the road to success is in the small things that you do every day. Also, by reviewing and making adjustments, you're going to make sure you're doing tasks that actually are working to help you get to your goal. For example, for me, my YouTube channel, my analytics showed that my best content that I got the most engagement and views from are my short videos. So these are just quick 1 minute or less videos. So since these videos are doing better on my channel, I've actually minimized my longer content and focused more on doing my short videos. In doing so, I'm freeing up my time that I would do for my longer videos to create more of my short videos. And I'm also able to do better quality and know that this is helping me work towards my social media goals. I personally will do a review every 6 months to see what needs to be adjusted. And annually, I will do a review of my goals as well. See how far I have come to reach my long term goal and if there is any adjustments I need to make based on how the previous year went. So that is it for today. I do recommend checking out my latest blog that I posted earlier this week, where I go over how to create a campaign routine. I think this will be a great extension of what we went over today. And the content in this blog you will be able to implement into your marketing strategies as well. So next week we will move on to step 3, where we will go over planning so you can be ahead of the game. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you are notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and wonderful weekend.